get cooking. I just want to talk to you about children's cooking parties. They're very popular, especially since lockdown. A lot of children being in the kitchen. Whether it's savoury or sweet, I have got the party for you. You can go down the pizza party route and then do some decorated biscuits and cupcakes, which is really nice for the younger ones. The afternoon tea is also very popular if you've got some enthusiastic bakers. If they're younger, I can weigh everything out. If they're a bit older, I usually get them to do that themselves. Just create their own tray bakes and scones and their own birthday cake, and then while that's in the oven, they can make their own bespoke sandwiches. So whatever takes their fancy, they can just make whatever they want, and then they get down to sit down and eat it. And the best thing is, there's usually loads of leftovers, so you can then divvy it up between the goodie bags and they can take it home. If you want to know more information, the parties are completely bespoke to your needs, so I can pretty much make anything at the parties. It's not just what's on the website, so please get in touch and hopefully see you soon. Thank you.